Here we go then. It's time for our first ever ride on Steel Taipan. And unfortunately, it's raining.
It is, but it is what it is.
Yeah, we're going to make the most of it. Luckily, we're British. We're used to this, aren't we?
We're used to this weather.
It might be a little bit painful in the rain with it coming onto us, but we'll see what happens. Here we go. So yeah, with this, it is a triple launch roller coaster built by Mack Rides. And yeah, what we're going to be doing firstly is launching forwards, and then we're going to come backwards. The launch is really going to kick in. We're going to go up the spike and then launch forwards again. How are you feeling about that?
I'm looking forward.
Here we go. Woo! Steel Taipan. Oh! In the rain, like. Oh, here we go. Backwards. It shouldn't be as bad now.
No, it shouldn't.
I think we're going to really feel it kick in. Any second. Oh! Here we go, ready for that launch forwards now. Woo! That rain is really painful. Are you okay, Charlotte? Here we go. Through the tunnel, up into the large loop. It's like a water ride. Through the mid-course just there. Oh my God. Okay.
God, so
I tell you what, that was really painful on the face. But I tell you what, not the coaster's fault, only the weather.
Oh,
that was a brilliant ride, absolutely brilliant. Obviously, very similar out to Blue Fire. But that backwards launch, it really had a kick to it. Yeah, it really kicked straight in when we were coming back there, and going up into the spike as well. It was, yeah, it was fantastic. It made it really unique as well, kind of going up into that spike. But there you go. We're soaked, but it was worth it.